Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I'm uploading a new video. Well, it's a winter season and during winter season we do a lot of stuff to make our body warm using 2-3 blankets, using heaters and all that. So today I'm going to show you how to make our body warm after eating. So let's see the ingredients for today. I'm going to use this chicken, this boneless chicken. It's in medium size. There's 4 pieces of chicken. Carrots, I've already chopped it. Green peas, this fresh green peas. Cabbage, I have already cut it. And of course salt. And I'm going to use this Noor chicken soup. So these two I'm using. This one is hot and sour chicken soup and this is sweet corn chicken soup. So I'm going to mix these two and I'm going to make chicken soup. So let's start. Cylinder khula nahi. Well, I'm going to use hot water only. And I'm adding the chicken. Just little bit of salt. Okay, we'll let the chicken cook for some time. By the time we will mix this, and let me tell you, don't mix it in hot water, you have to mix it in cold water. So let's mix this. I'm using only half. If you have a big family, then you can use all. But I have a small family only, so I'm using it half. So I'm keeping it this. Next time I will make. Add some cold water and stir it well. It's done. I will keep it aside and we'll use it for later. Let's check the chicken. It's half cooked. When the chicken is half cooked, you have to remove it. Then in this water only, add these carrots. Green peas. We'll let it boil for some time. By the time we'll shred this chicken. Oh my god. पेट्टे हालेको निमित्त के कुरोले हो जायो. Yeah, now I've done doing this. Now I'm going to put it back, but let me first check the carrots and green peas. Yeah, it's half cooked. Then we'll add the soup. Can you please pass me that wooden spoon? Better to use this one. So I'm adding it now. Right after adding this soup, just stir it well, otherwise it will stuck in the vessel. Like every 2-3 minutes we have to stir in, otherwise that soup it will stuck in the vessel. 플랫티 다 빛나 차리고. See this. Oh, see this. I think tonight after drinking this, I may not use blanket also because it will really make your body warm. Every 1-2 minutes you have to stir it. Let me test the salt. You have to add the salt according to your taste. Now it's properly cooked, so what I will do at last, add this cabbage. This will make the soup more thicker. After adding the cabbage, it's up to you. If you wanted the cabbage in a raw, you can put up the flame, but if you want the cabbage to cook properly, then you can keep on cooking until the cabbage is cooked. I want it a little bit half cooked, so I'll off the flame. So chicken soup is done. Wow, see the richness of this soup. See this. Well guys, cooking done. I'm going to attack it. It's like I'm in a Chinese restaurant. বেশি টেস্টি আছে দে আপনি আমি খৰি বনাই চাবি এনাও না মই কি খুবি কিনা ওলাইছে Well guys, it's so tasty, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Try making this soup and please comment it how it was. Well guys, see you in our next video.